Hi, Kipsters. Welcome to another writing lesson. Today we're talking about collecting evidence for research. So, just like people might collect objects from nature to study or to make a craft, writers collect details or evidence for their writing. Today we're going to learn how collecting evidence makes us better writers. Collecting evidence helps writers find and organize information they need to answer a writing prompt. Collecting evidence is an important part of the planning phase of our writing. It helps writers easily see the text details they need when they begin drafting their ideas later. So, I'm going to model how you collect evidence for an example writing task. Then you're going to start collecting evidence for your own writing tasks. So, as I model, think about how I do each step. Be ready to share what you're going to do when you collect evidence for your writing task. So, the first thing I'm going to do is read my writing task to you. My example writing task says, how do traveling libraries bring books to people? Explain using details from England and Zimbabwe. And my librarian is a camel to support your response. So that is my example writing task. So first, I'm going to reread the writing prompt to make sure that I understand the task. How do traveling libraries bring books to people? Explain using details from England and Zimbabwe, and my librarian is a camel to support your response. So, my task is to explain how traveling libraries bring books to people. The next step I'm going to do is look at what the prompt is asking me to do. The prompt doesn't tell me an exact number of details, but it does say details, which is plural with an S. So I know that I need more than one. It also names two different countries. So I should include at least one detail about each country. However, I'm going to look for more than that so that I have many details to choose from. The first sentence in the prompt tells me that the kind of details I need are facts about how each traveling library works. So today, I'm going to try to answer my first research question. How does the traveling library in England work? That means I'm going to look for facts about the library in England. And I'll come back later to find facts about libraries in Zimbabwe. So it's important to think about which text I'm going to use to research the library in England. The section titles help me. So I'm going to look for evidence in the section called England, and my librarian is a camel. So here I have the book pulled up on the screen. I'm going to go and find the section on England. I'm going to go to my table of contents and find England. So here is England right here. So I'm going to go across and I see England is on page 12. So I'm going to go to page 12 to find the section on England. And here it is, England. So I could sort the details in different ways. Today I'm going to write the name of the country at the top, and then I'm going to put all my details about that country in this section. So here I have a graphic organizer. So I have my section for England right here. So I'm going to write all my details that I find for England, and